the wind already missed the groomers. Hopefully it's better in the tree. Maybe I'll get a wind boost. What the heck? There's no terrain park. Literally nothing. I think that was a pretty good melon. I held it. I'm so proud of myself. Super windy, especially above the trees. It's like a hurricane. They got almost all the lifts on wind hold. They have only 2 lifts open, and half of the terrain parks are demolished. I don't know why. So it's getting really boring. So this was just a little quick video. I did learn melon grab, so I guess I'm happy with that.